Exactly. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to review Bolt Whey Isolate Protein Powder. If you're looking for a high-quality protein supplement, stay tuned to see if this one lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about what Bolt Whey Isolate Protein Powder is all about. This product claims to offer 25 grams of pure whey protein isolate per serving, zero sugar, and minimal carbs, making it perfect for anyone looking to build lean muscle or simply boost their daily protein intake. The packaging is sleek and informative. I really appreciate the clear labeling and the fact that it comes with a scoop inside, making it easy to measure out your servings. Now, let's dive into the nutritional facts. Each serving of Bolt Whey Isolate provides 25 grams of protein, only 1 gram of carbs, and 0 grams of sugar. It's also low in fat, with just 0.5 grams per serving. For those of you keeping track of your macros, this is a fantastic option. Next, let's see how well it mixes. I'll be using a shaker bottle to mix 1 scoop of Bolt Whey Isolate with water. Shake and pour into a glass. As you can see, it mixes very well with no clumps. Now, for the taste test. Takes a sip. This is a chocolate flavor, and it's delicious. Smooth, not too sweet, and no weird aftertaste. I definitely look forward to drinking this after my workouts. I've been using Bolt Whey Isolate for the past 2 weeks, and I've noticed a significant improvement in my recovery times and muscle soreness. It's really helped me stay on track with my fitness goals. High-quality protein isolate, low in carbs and sugar, great taste and mixability, improved recovery and muscle support. Slightly pricier compared to other brands, but you get what you pay for. Overall, I'm really impressed with Bolt Whey Isolate Protein Powder. It's a top-notch product that delivers on its promises. If you're serious about your fitness and nutrition, I highly recommend giving this a try. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and fitness tips. Also, let me know in the comments if you've tried Bolt Whey Isolate and what you think of it. See you in the next video.